Have you ever had a prawn cocktail sandwich? It's going to change your life. Today, I'm making my ultimate prawn avo sarmi. I love avos, they're my favorite ingredient, especially in a salad, but even better still in between slices of the yummy bread. Lately, I don't know what it is, but I've been reminiscing about prawn cocktail. Prawn cocktail was like something that you would have luxurious when you go out for Sunday lunch, and it used to come in little like martini glasses, and it was just beautiful, and it was always like pink mayo, but it's really called Mari Rose sauce. The other day when I was at Woolies, I saw these on the shelf, and they're amazing. They're white sandwich thins. They're easy to toast. I'm going to dry fry them. There we go. Okay, so now for the famous Mari Rose sauce. And if you really want to be like a perfectionist, you can make your own mayonnaise from scratch. But now, these days, you get like beautiful homemade kind of tasting mayonnaise from a bottle. So a bit of that. And then good old tomato sauce. And it depends how pink you want it. I like it just a little bit. You can add a little bit of Worcester sauce if you want. That's the traditional way. Also a little squeeze of lemon juice. Let's give that a mix. So it's beautiful and smooth. And really then you just take your prawns. I mean, it really, really is easy. Okay, so our toast is done. And now it's avos. You don't need to cut it fancy. Oh, look at that. The most perfect, glorious avo. That makes me happy. Okay, so then all I do is I take a spoon, like you're just going to eat it, just scoop it. Because then we're going to just pile it on. And then a beautiful squeeze of lemon, and then crunchyta lettuce. It crisps, it talks to you, and I think it's the new iceberg, but there's nothing wrong with iceberg lettuce too. Okay, so now all we need to do is assemble it. Let's layer it up. Lots of lettuce, pack it with lettuce. These are real gourmet picnic sandwiches. I want to tell you, I want to be at that picnic. Okay, and our prawns, some avo. There we go, a little bit more lemon juice, and then top that. And there's my prawn cocktail avo toast.
Are you saving that for later?